So, hi Prarthana, hi Gargi. Thank you for this lovely arrangement and also got an opportunity to meet with Anupam. So, my name is Soumi and right now I am working as a talent acquisition manager in TAD International Business Services Private Limited. Coming to my academic background, I have done my BTech in Electronics and Communication from GIS College of Engineering, and after that I have done my MBA from ISWBM, and I have done multiple projects and internship in many industries, and also I have recently did one project with you in FresherRank. So looking forward to for more opportunities and collaborate with you as well. Thank you.
Okay, show me, as you have said that you have a few work experience on internships and projects. So can you tell about that?
Okay, so shall I mention about the current projects I have done in your organization? Or okay, so I started my first internship with Avida, okay, with VN Power, and also with Asia HRM while I was doing my MBA. I can recall the year, that is 2021 December. So that was my 3 months project. So that time I was very nervous, I was very introvert, I was not able to speak properly in front of people. So in that project I got a little bit that satisfaction that at least I can coordinate with foreign client as well. So I got that opportunity from VN Power, and additionally after that I got opportunity for the summer internship from my college in Himadri specialty, and there I learned to communicate with different people and also focus into HR projects as well, how the plants are working right now in chemical industry. And after that I did my another internship that is from Jayasri Textiles from Aditya Birla Group. There I used to focus on the talent acquisition part. What I'm working right now as a manager, I'm focusing on talent acquisition and talent management part. And also I did another project that is also into the assessment part that you are focusing on in your industry for the fresher part. So yes, I did as well HR and sales marketing, both projects and internship. So yes, my overall internship experience is going well. That's all.
So show me, throughout this journey, have you faced any problem? Means any challenges in any internship or any project? Then how did you find any solution for that?
So I can recall that when I was doing my summer internship from our organization in Himadri, I used to spend at least 9 hours of time in that particular organization. Sometimes I had to travel Singur for the project in their plant site, and had to observe everything. So in that case, total I had to spend 12 hours of time minimum, including the journey. So at the same time I was also doing another part-time project. So yes, time management was the main part. I had sometimes I felt some difficulty, but the good thing is that when I was working the part-time project with your organization provides me that much of flexibility where I can manage those things. Yes, that was the challenge I faced and I solved.
Anything you have learned throughout this internship journey? Any new learning?
Yes, I had a scope to meet with different people. Time management I already mentioned. I had a scope to learn new tools. I had a scope to write formal mail as well, because it is very important thing that every fresher should learn how to mail to any person, not only to your senior. You have to mail to your junior as well. And also I learned how to use the Zoom meeting as well, how to use different projects related to HR, not projects, sorry. It will be related to the HR tools. Okay, there are various, because it differs industry to industry, that which particular tools should I use for our project. But yes, Microsoft Excel that I learned from different industry, because there are different application that everyone should learn. Yeah, that's.
Okay, so coming to the FresherRank project, as you have said that you have done FresherRank project, you have done I think more than one. So how was the experience? Anything unique you feel that FresherRank arranges for the interns?
Yes, what I feel that I got the opportunity to learn how shall I use AI in, like, to draft any story related to the business insights, how to summarize the chart, how to draft the charts using AI. So that is the new thing I learned in this project, and also looking forward to learn something very new, because nowadays in every sector, if I will go, there is a huge demand of using AI tools, right? That can be ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, or anything. There are many more tools, AI tools. So yes, if FresherRank will give me that opportunity in future, I will definitely learn, and also I will encourage other freshers as well, or who are early professional like me. I will encourage them to enroll for this project. And because this 10 days project will not give you the every, I mean, you can't learn everything about a tool, but at least you will get one clear idea that how you can use this tool, what is the interesting part. So yeah, that's all.
So okay, we face one question often, that why should I do 10 days project? This is so small. What can I learn in within these 10 days? So what do you think about that? Means 10 days project is helpful. Means will you recommend to other people?
Absolutely, I will recommend, because there are very few organizations who generally give 10 days project, right? They generally schedule one workshop where they are trying to give all knowledge within 3 hours, but that's not possible, right? So at least within 10 days project, you will understand that what is the agenda, which tools you can use. I mean, you will also get an opportunity to work with a specific industry. You will get some opportunity to enhance your networking through LinkedIn, or at least your organization is giving that opportunity. They are promoting your LinkedIn account as well in their, through their website. So I guess it will be a good opportunity for every fresher that they can enroll themselves for their project.
Thanks for sharing your experiences. Now we have some gifts for you, gifts and certificates for you. So okay, now we will play two games. This is the first one. You have 20 seats here. You have to pick up 5. Alternatively, first you can pick up, then you can pick up. If you don't want to give answer, you have 2 skip option. So yeah, we can start from.
Okay, startup environment or MNC culture? Startup environment. Leader role or support role? So as per my current role, it will be support role. Music while working or silence while working? First one, music while working. Fast replies or thoughtful replies? Of course, thoughtful replies. Learning new skills or improving old skills? Okay, so in this case, I will prefer both, but learning new skills.
So last version, work on the old skill. Yeah. So yeah. So you said both, but learning new skills. Can you just explain?
Yes, because improving old skills means already what I have to update day by day. Like, suppose right now I'm sitting in front of you, maybe I'm feeling a little bit nervous, but next time I'll make sure to not feeling that type of nervous. Okay, and learning new skills, yes, we are acquiring new skills day by day. Like, yes, if I will get an opportunity to work in your organization for any project, I will learn AI tools. I will get opportunity to meet with new people. So yes, networking, stability, everything will be improved.
Okay, so by that time, rules for the second round. Again, we have 20 seats. Now you don't have any skip option. Yeah, you have to pick up 5, each of you.
So I have to select another sheet, right? Okay. One soft skill every fresher must develop. Yes, of course, communication skill. Not only English communication, behavioral approach should be improved.
One mindset every fresher needs to succeed. Any suggestion?
Okay, so shall I give him some hints or I can share my suggestion?
As a teamwork, we can do.
Okay, so what I feel that for the mindset purpose, every fresher should be a little bit. No, I will not suggest to be extrovert, but at least if you are facing any kind of challenges in your work, you have to meet with those challenges and you have to take suggestion from your mentor, whoever is your project mentor. I think this type of mindset is very essential, but because in first project we feel a little bit nervous. Bengali In Bengali sometimes we feel that loke ki bolbe, or in Hindi log kya kahenge, sir kya sochenge. So in that case we have to be very frank, we have to clear our doubts with mentor. One behavior freshers should never show in the workplace. Okay, yes, being a fresher, we feel sometimes very nervous, arrogant. So don't show this special skill, or what I will say, special trait in front of the mentor, because yes, during that time we are very confused about our motto, goal, or whatever. We are new to that place, so how will be our colleague? We will feel a little bit nervous. So don't show this trait with to others. One tool or software you think all freshers should learn? Okay. Yes, Microsoft Excel, because the application is everywhere in every industry. Yes, I recommend this tool. One productivity tip you swear by. Okay. Yes, time management, which is very essential for our daily life to balance, right? Work-life balance. So, one skill that helped you the most during your internship, networking.
Yeah. Okay, we are done with the second round of game, and we have gifts for you guys.